Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to cancel scheduled payments in HDFC NetBanking. So if you want to actually cancel any scheduled payment in HDFC Bank, the first thing you need to do is to know when is the scheduled payment. So if it's after 4 days or more, this fix will help you. So unfortunately, this won't work with you if the payment is under 4 days. So the thing that we need to do is to deactivate the Smart Pay feature in HDFC Bank. So to deactivate through the online banking or net banking, after signing into your NetBank account in HDFC, the following window will appear as seen from here. So you need to click on cards. So after you click on this option, you will be redirected to a next window. So after you click on cards, you need to click on debit cards as seen from here. After that, you need to click on transact. So after you click on transact, you need to go to Smart Pay. As you see, here's the option of Smart Pay. You need to click on it, and after that, you need to hit on continue. So from here, you will have a lot of options. So from here, you need to select the card that have the scheduled payment. So you need to click on it. So you need to select the card. After that, you need to hit on continue. And from here, under prepaid recharge, you will find view, delete and modify. You need to click on it. And from here, you need to click on delete option. After you click on delete option, click on confirm as seen from here. Also, another method to deactivate your card is to call this number as seen from here. So you need to call 011-616-06-161. So that will actually fix your issue. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.